So this is, you are going to graph lines in slope intercept form. You're going to sketch the graph of each line. This is the PDF that I'm going to upload into your Learn It. It's also going to be the same document for your Prove It. So I'm going to do the odds and I'm going to leave you the evens. So please pay attention on what I'm going to do, because these are sketch graphs, and in Schoology they're kind of strange how to do it, and you're going to follow the directions on sketch graph. So do you remember the other day when I asked you to find the slope and the y-intercept? So M is the abbreviation for slope, and B is the abbreviation for y-intercept. And this is where they come important, because if I have an M of 1 over 4, that's how I move. Okay, and this in words is 1 up, 4 right, because remember it's rise over run. This also can be written as 1 down, 4 left. Okay, and B is for beginning. And when I identify it here, it's -1. So on the computer, your instructions will say, write the y-intercept in yellow. Ta-da! 0, -1. Okay? From there, from that point, you're going to do 2 of them above and 2 of them below. So it says 1 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 over, and put a dot. It doesn't fit. And so I go 1 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do that. If you were in class, you would connect that and it would be a line. Do not connect them on the computer. Done that problem. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to have to do the M, and I'm going to have to do the B. The M is right there, and there's an understood 1. As a fraction, it's 1 over 1. And positive means 1 up, 1 right. It also means 1 down, 1 left. My B is right here and at 1. So my y-intercept is where it crosses the y line at 1. In yellow, up 1, right 1, there's one of them. Up 1, right 1, there's another one. You actually are allowed to do this as much as you want. I will require you to do at least 2 of them on that side. So now I'm down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, and that in class you would connect it and it forms a line. Number 5. So M is -3. As a fraction, it is -3 over 1. This is rise, which is 3 down for the negative, 1 right. That also is 3 up, 1 left. And how I get that is I reverse the directions. And my B is at -3. My y-intercept, or my beginning, is at -3. So then I go 3 up and 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 1 left, and then I can go 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 1 right. And if I actually drew this line, it would be a negative slope. Continue on. I have my M is 3/5. That's 3 up, 5 right. It's also 3 down, 5 left. My B is -1. So my y-intercept is -1. I go 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I go 3 down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all that fits on the graph. But if you would connect them like you would in class, it would be a straight line. Y equals 3. I could actually rewrite this as y equals 0x plus 3, because 0 times anything is make it disappear, so I just put it back. So my slope is 0, and my y-intercept is 3, so it says I'm going to do a dot right there, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line. And that is the one time you do draw the line. Now, there's an acronym that says HOI, and it stands for horizontal line, slope of 0, y equals a number. So anytime you have y equals just a number, that says it's going to be a horizontal line. Okay, here we go. 11. My slope is 4. Written as a fraction is 4 over 1. So I go 4 up, 1 right, and 4 down, 1 left. And my slope intercept is 3. So I go to it's not my slope intercept, my y-intercept is 3. So I go to 3, and I'm going to go 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, it would be off the graph. I'm going to do it anyways, and I'm going to put it right there. And then 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 left. And so that would be my graph right there. So when you do it, you are going to put your y-intercept in yellow, and your y-intercept is your B. And then you're going to travel and put dots in red. You are not going to attach the line. That's the first part.